Good morning. Welcome to another edition of the program. In here is an SMDB, which stands for Sub-Main Distribution Board. The SMDB is used to receive supply from the MDB, which is a main distribution board, from a substation, and then the outgoing now goes to feed various DB, which are distribution boards. Top in here, like I mentioned in my other video, which is the three indicators ROYB, which indicate the healthiness of the supply. And then down here is an MCCB, which is molded case circuit breaker. In this case is 100 amps MCCB. As you can see, it's a 100 amp MCCB for a 690 volt. Then when we're talking of 480 volt, it is 800 amps. Therefore means this MCCB can be adjusted depending on the range of current that you need. As you can see here, this is a and this is the on button. So therefore means it is at discharge, as you can see here, and then this is at off. So if I want to charge it, I now go to this piston. I clamp first, I clamp second, I clamp third. You look at this part, it will change to charge very soon. I clamp again, I clamp. So now I clamp. Okay, this not charged, you see, and it's okay. At this point now it's okay. So this is, if I press this, it goes back to on, and now it's on discharge. This is just an illustration to show you how it functions and then how you can manipulate with it. I'll open at the incomer part of SMDB. Opening here, in this part, it's a chamber where we have bus bars which are linked to the MCCB. And the top in with gland the incoming supply, which is glanded at this panel board. So if I open from here, you see how the glanding is being done. I'll explain that in a jiffy. I close it back again. And then in this other part, which is the outgoing part of it, if I open from here, you see how we have various MCCBs which are going now to a distribution board, and they have their different ratings. Up in here you see this is a 63 amps MCCB, 40 amps MCCB, so it's easy to identify the various MCCB. So as you can see here, the labeling, which is DB-B3P-T1, which is going to fit this particular DB. If you check in this room, maybe we'll have the same DB, which is PT1. You go here, you see this is a DB, which is DB-B3P-T1. So supply leads from here, this MCCB PT1 goes and then feeds this MCCB. Therefore means if I press, okay, if I put on the supply, which is at 1, coming to the DB, the supply now comes to the upstream. In this case, it will be the downstream. So if I put it on, power now flows to the bus bar. So we will have the red, yellow, and green bus bar will be live. So giving supply now to the individual circuit breakers, which is MCB in this case, which are rated at the maximum amps of 32 amps. Okay. So I'll come back here again. I'll close the outgoing part of this, and then we will take a look at the cable pulling, which is done at the top. Okay, up here we have 2 runs of 300 square mm fire rated cable, which is glanded to the incoming part of the SMDB. And then top here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total outgoing cables, which are going to various DBs. And as you can see, we have the various tagging, which we've mentioned to where is feeding to. So the first 2, which is the DB, and then the next, which are going to MCCB. MCC means motor control center. These are distribution board as well, which are going to feed some particular motors. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. Bye.